Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Lewis Harding Investor and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be going through my stock portfolio as at March 2022. Let's get straight into it. So for anyone new around here, let's go through my portfolio details and target allocation. So to put it simply, I started this portfolio back in May 2020 when I started recording my investment properly using a spreadsheet and really getting into investing. Essentially my benchmark is the FTSE All World Index because I believe over the long term, if you're going to invest yourself, you need to be beating the world stock market. That's just my opinion. So essentially I want returns above 10% per year, averaged out over the long term. Anyway, so on to what assets I want to own. So half my portfolio is going to be individual stocks via value investing, and then 20% towards emerging markets via an index fund, ETF, 20% towards venture capital via equity crowdfunding, so investing into the private markets. And then the last 10% goes towards my inflation section, which is made up of Bitcoin, commodities and gold. Right, so now let's have a look at my portfolio performance, and we'll have a look at my performance per subsection to start with. So you can see that I've got all my sections here. Let's start chatting about my emerging market section, which is the only one in the red at the minute, minus 37%. This is pretty brutal. I must say, quite a brutal loss, but like I say, over the long term I am confident about emerging markets, which will do well via the future of the world economy. I'm actually looking to put some money into my ISA and pension soon on freetrade and invest more into this ETF at these lower prices, get my cost average basis down and hold it for the long term like I do everything. Looking at everything else, nothing much else has changed. Bitcoin goes up and down all the time. I bought it at quite a low price compared to what it is now, so it is what it is. Funnily enough, commodities and gold have absolutely rampaged recently due to the Russia and Ukraine conflict going on at the minute, the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Commodities all over the board have gone up massively, and this is one reason I have owned them, because I believe it's good to be diversified, and having these two in there I think is a good thing. So awesome stuff. Now let's have a look at my performance broken down a bit more. So what have I bought this time? So I think from last update, what's new is Games Workshop and Alphabet. So these two companies have been on my watch list for a long time. I did a video on Games Workshop back in November 2021, and it recently hit my buy price, so I just went ahead and bought it. I was very happy with that. High quality business at a fair price. Very happy indeed. And I bought Alphabet as well, Google. That business is honestly absolutely fantastic. So there will be a video coming soon about that one. I really do like that business. But then looking across the board, Lockheed Martin's gone up loads because of the Russia-Ukraine stuff going on. All the defence stocks have gone up. I'm looking to buy more Lockheed Martin, but I want it to go down to about $330 per share. But it's a long way off yet, so I'll just be patient. Meta and Alibaba are down quite a bit still. I would not mind buying more shares if they got even lower as well. Right, so now let's have a look at my benchmark and my performance against the World Index, Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust and Pershing Square Holdings Limited. So at the minute I'm literally a few percentage points away from the index, and I'm expecting to get ahead of this year. Confident of that. So we will see how it goes. But what is interesting is look at the Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust. Since December, it's absolutely collapsed, and mainly because they have got a lot of growth / hype names in that fund, and it just shows that some of these stellar returns do not stay forever. So look at that return. I think we got to about 120% return from when I started, and now they're quite close to where I am. So that is very interesting. Then you got Bill Ackman beating everyone. So hopefully I can get up there with Bill Ackman, one of my favourite investors. But it's just good to see my portfolio is looking quite steady. Within 2 years I've made like 20% a year, so I'm pretty happy with that really. So there we have it. That was my stock portfolio update for March 2022. If you enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. As always, it would be amazing if you could like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. However, you can check out some of these videos